Hi everyone, today I'm reviewing the Joyami air fryer. This is a fairly large air fryer, decent size like other ones. This is the power button. It's all touchscreen, so it's not touch capacitive or a hard button or whatnot. It's all basically touchscreen. So let me go and turn it on. You can see it's a fairly large tray for the air fryer, and as always there is a heated metal element, a fan up there, and you can see right here with this button it kind of relocates to different type of items. So we can see right here french fries, steak, chicken, shrimp, looks like, oh actually that was bacon before, steak, muffin, mushroom, and fish. There's also a light button, and the cool thing with this is you can see the items cooking and see if they're ready to eat or not. So I thought that was really cool that they have that light and also see-through screen. You're also able to hit this minus button or even plus button to allocate the time that you want it to cook. If you want it to cook for longer or shorter, you're able to do that with this button. And for the temperature, you're able to do it as well. The unfortunate part is you're gonna have to basically wait till it kind of goes to that timer screen, so you can't really sift through. So now that you got to the timer screen, you know, it's like 5 or 10 seconds you gotta wait, then you're able to do that. So that's kind of like a bummer in terms of that. But does it cook well? Yes. Does it function well? Absolutely. Let's go ahead and turn it on here so you guys can hear it. And that's how you turn on. You push that power button. And it is very quiet. And by the way, when you open it, it does start back up. And then when you hold it, it turns off the whole thing. So in my opinion, I think it's a really cool air fryer. It has the functionalities needed. I just wish it had some kind of timer or physical knob to switch in between the settings. Also with this opener, if you put it in the wrong angle, as you can see, it takes some, you know, you're gonna have to put it in at the right angle so it can click in there. So I think that's kind of the design of it. But overall, very nice air fryer. I'll leave a link down below in the description if you're looking to purchase an air fryer. And if you have any questions on this air fryer or other air fryers, especially air fryers that maybe you'd like me to review here on the channel, feel free to comment down below in the description. Happy to check them out on the channel, review them. As always, press the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to the notification bell so you are alerted for next time. Thanks. See you guys soon.